I think while I still have paint left, I can paint this just the top side. So I'm gonna do the typing there, just paint the top side yellow over again. So it can look nice. Yeah. Now everything is covered that I don't want to paint. So yeah, I'm gonna paint it now. Just have to start the compressor and mix the paint. Yeah, painted and done. And this looks good. This is good, man. Good, good, good. Now dry and remove the stickers of the paper and then it's done. Lekker man, lekker. Yeah. Okay, there it's painted. Not too bad. No, not too bad, really. I like it. I like it. Now to put everything together and clean the engine up. Then I'm done. I'm done painting. But now I found something else here. I just have to wait for the cable. I made a new cable because this one is broken. But in my stash I found this. This new Donaldson air filter. I think I'm gonna put this one in. Just to take everything out there, make holes for the thing and then put it in. I think I'm gonna try that now. To make it a little bit modern. Yeah. Yeah, I have two bumpers. I think the top one is the old one. I'm gonna put that one back in here quickly. I'm not gonna show how I do it because it's very easy to do it. I'm gonna put it back quickly. Yeah, the bumper is on now. Just have to set it. It's too far out. Okay, a bit further in. Set it straight. That is good, man. Good, good, good. I have to put the indicators in, connect the wires, that kind of stuff. But yeah. Oh, nou ja. Now let's take the old pan filter. Bracket. Okay. Away with the old pan Italy. Now, but I have to take this out first. Just see where I have to relocate this to another spot. There for now. Take this thing off. Stuff over here. I don't know yet. Clean it up a bit there. Now why doesn't it fit? It's wit. Something like this. I can't remember now. Is this like this or like this? Let me go find another bucky with a Donaldson filter. Then we see how it looks. Yeah. So it will look like this, but I don't think it's going to work. Because I need this bracket at the back. With all this thing, I have to make holes. That thing is broken there. There. No. No, I think I will keep it. I'll keep this Donaldson filter for another bucky. I'm going to put that pan filter back in. Yeah. At least work. Yeah. Okay, before I'm going to put that old pan filter back, I think I'm going to clean it at the back. Clean here. Might be paint this piece over. I don't know. And then I'll put it back. Because it looks awful and I don't like it like that. Not my style. This is the first clean. Looks better. But I mean, to clean it a few more times. Maybe spray washer. Water spray gun or something like that. That might work better. Just have to close all the holes here. Put more water. Yeah.